Hey everyone, Spencer Coffman here with How To Video Channel. Today we're going to show you how to hypothetically wire and install the 70 watt dusk to dawn outdoor yard light or barn light. If you want to see how it was packaged, feel free to check out the Honest Reviews YouTube unboxing video that'll be in a card up here. This is the unboxing video for this product so you can see how it came. So now what we're going to do is show you how to wire, and like I said, it'll be hypothetically installed because we're not going to use this mounting bracket here and physically mount it on a rooftop or an eave or the side of a pole or a truss or anything like that. What we're going to do is show you how to connect these wires, which will be very simple. If you followed any of our other wiring videos or instructions on How To Video Channel, it's going to be matching them up. So we have black to black, white to white, and then there's a green wire here that'll get connected to the ground. We'll use all these wire nuts that were provided, even though sometimes you don't really need a wire nut on a ground wire. We're going to do it anyway to make sure it stays connected. Now you can see it also comes with this arm. Now what you'd want to do is feed the wires through here and then use this wiring plate to cover up where the wires would go here. Now what you could either do is if you have enough on the live end, you could bunch all up the connections here, similar to an outlet box. Or if you have to have the connections in the pole, that's fine. Just make sure that if there's any chance of water getting into that pole, that you want to use waterproof wire nuts instead of these, and also make sure that you properly seal this as best you can, whether that's putting some type of sealant around this connection or making sure that you use tape around this connection inside the pole, whatever is going to work to make sure that the wire does not get wet. So with that, let's start out by using the cover and covering up this area right here. So we're going to take these screws out and cover this up as if it were a live installation. Alright, so there we go. That is successfully on. Now the next thing you would do would be to take this pole, and you could feed that on the wire there and on the wire here. And if you had enough, you could slide it all the way down like this so that you could connect those. If you don't, you might have to have a break here to connect that. One thing I noticed is that if you did it like this, there's not enough wire provided with the light to get all the way through there, which that's kind of a dilemma, so you wouldn't be able to feed that on. And also if you are wiring from this side of it, sometimes in your house there's not enough wire to put an entire 12-inch pole on here. You might only have 6 inches here, so you'd never get that on. So you might need to add more wire as an extension to make this longer if needed. But if you need to do that, you just need a few more wire nuts, same thing, match the colors, and you are good to go. So for the purposes of this video, let's assume that we had enough on this end and we ran all of that wire through there. If you need to do an extension, you can. If you need any help, feel free to post a comment below and I'll do what I can to help explain that to you. But for right now, let's wire up the colors and I'll show you how that looks. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. But right now, match these up color to color. Alright, so there we go. We have successfully wired up this light. Remember now that would all be put inside of the tube so that you can now mount this on the wall using your mounting bracket right here. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Otherwise, I hope you like this video and I hope that you consider checking out this product. There'll be links in the description below. In addition, feel free to go to the Honest Reviews YouTube channel to check out a review. I'll put a card up here in the corner so you can watch the review and see how this worked. After doing this hypothetical, I'll get up on the ladder and wire this thing up to a pole and test it out, see how the dusk to dawn works, and let you guys know. But for the purposes of this video, safety-wise, rather than doing it a live installation. That's why we did this. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I also hope you hit that like button, hit the bell icon, and hit the subscribe button to continue to support How To Video Channel. Thank you.